easy and delicious recipes. In recent years, there has been a significant rise in the number of people adopting a vegan lifestyle. Whether it is for ethical reasons, health concerns, or simply a desire to try something new, many individuals are now opting for plant-based diets. One of the key challenges for people transitioning to a vegan lifestyle is meal preparation. However, with the right recipes and planning, vegan meal prep can be both easy and delicious. So let's explore some simple and tasty vegan recipes that can be incorporated into your meal prep routine. Firstly, let's talk about breakfast. A vegan smoothie bowl is an excellent option to kickstart your day. Blend frozen berries, a ripe banana, plant-based milk, and a spoonful of nut butter. Top it with your favorite fruits, granola, and a drizzle of agave syrup for an added touch of sweetness. This quick and nutritious option requires minimal effort and can be prepared the night before. For lunch, a hearty and satisfying vegan Buddha bowl can be your go-to option. Start by cooking a batch of quinoa or brown rice and dividing it equally into meal prep containers. Add some roasted chickpeas, steamed vegetables like broccoli and carrots, and a handful of cherry tomatoes. Drizzle a zesty homemade dressing made with lemon juice, olive oil, and garlic over the bowl. This versatile recipe can be modified using different grains, proteins, and vegetables each week, ensuring you never get bored. Dinner is the perfect time to experiment with different flavors and cuisines. A vegan stir-fry packed with colorful vegetables and tofu is not only easy to prepare, but also bursting with flavors. Simply toss together your choice of veggies like bell peppers, broccoli, snap peas, and mushrooms in a pan. Add some marinated tofu and cook until everything is tender yet crunchy. Serve it over a bed of brown rice or noodles for a satisfying and wholesome dinner. Snack time is equally important, and vegan meal prepping should not neglect this aspect. Energy balls are a popular and convenient snack option. In a food processor, combine dates, nuts, seeds, and a sweetener like maple syrup until a sticky texture is achieved. This mixture can be rolled into small bite-sized balls and refrigerated for quick snacking throughout the week. The best part is that they can be customized with your favorite ingredients, be it chocolate chips, dried fruits, or coconut flakes. When it comes to desserts, a vegan chocolate mousse is the perfect treat to satisfy your sweet tooth. All you need is some silken tofu, vegan chocolate chips, and a sweetener of your choice, such as agave syrup or stevia. Melt the chocolate chips, add the tofu, and blend until smooth. Refrigerate for a few hours, and voila! You have a rich and creamy dessert that is sure to impress everyone. Vegan meal prep does not have to be complicated or boring. By incorporating these easy and delicious recipes into your routine, you can enjoy the benefits of a plant-based diet without compromising on taste or convenience. With a little planning and creativity, vegan meal prep can prove to be an exciting and rewarding experience, opening doors to a whole new world of flavors and textures. I hope this information on vegan meal prep was helpful. If so, please hit the like button. For more information on vegan diets, vegan recipes, vegan smoothies, and the vegan lifestyle, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, so let's make today the day we change our eating habits for a healthier life. And remember, you are what you eat.